Hey, are you ready to do some salsa shines? This is an advanced one we got today. Enjoy. Bam! Hey guys, what's going on? Herman here, back with another shine tutorial. Today we have a short pattern. I hope you like it. If you do, leave it a thumbs up. Post any questions you have down below. And subscribe here for more free salsa tutorials. Enjoy the video. Boom! Boom, guys, what's going on? Herman here, back with another shine tutorial. This one is a short one, it's an advanced shine. Here we go, let's get right into it. Basic step 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna step in front and I'm gonna cross 1, and then I'm gonna raise 2. So I'm stepping forward and crossing 1, raise 2. And then going down and 3. I'm gonna contract my body. So it goes 1, 2, and 3. So when you're up here, I'm gonna start to shift the weight by bending my knees, which causes my hips to go forward. And then I'm gonna sink the heels, which causes the contraction here on the body. So it goes 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Last one, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Let's see it from the back. 5, 6, 7, cross. 1, raise up, 2, 3. And again, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Last one, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. From here, I'm going to tap to my left. 5. 5 here. There's 2% weight over here on the left foot. Boom. Enough to get body movement going here as I tap on to the side. Bam. Here. Bam. If I don't have any weight, it's hard to mimic. Otherwise, you're up in the air. It's hard to mimic the body movement. You gotta put 2% weight there on the toe. But notice it's not enough to get the hips going over it. It's just there. Bam, on the toe. So that happens right after 1, 2, 3, 5. And then I'm just going to cross in front. 7. See it again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. And again, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 7. One more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Once you're there, 7, I'm going to do a cha-cha step where I'm going to go heel, step, bring it in and open the legs. So this is a knee flick out. Cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. 8 and 1, 2, 3. 8 and 1, 2, 3. 8 steps with the heel and steps back with the left foot. 1 in, so it's and 1. So 8 and 1. And then from there, back to the basic. 2, 3. So 8 and 1, 2, 3. 8 and 1, 2, 3. 8 and 1, 2, 3. Again. 8 and 1, 2, 3. Let's see it again from the back. 5, 6, 7. 8 and 1, 2, 3. And that'll be the end of it. So let's put it all the way from the beginning, from the top. 5, 6, 7. Here from the back. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's see it again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One last time here from the front. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. There it is, guys. All the way from the top of music now. Let's see, are you ready? Awesome job for making it all the way to the end of the video. Good job. Now, let me tell you something. If you want more free salsa tutorials, subscribe here. If you liked the video, leave it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you have any questions, post them down below. One last thing, guys. I'm posting all this content here on YouTube and I'm organizing it step by step on my website. It's latindancemovement.com/online. I have free courses for all levels and I have them there organized so that you could check off the ones that you've done and you could go back to them. You could see, track your progress. It's a really useful tool that I have there for free. Go to my website, create an account, and you'll have free access. Enjoy. Bam!